Hi, my name is Dan Jung, and I'm an agent with MBhealth Insurance Agency here in the St. Louis area in Afton. And I would love to talk today about how your finances affect the health insurance enrollment. So when you go out and try to find something, it's real important that whoever you work with is asking the right questions. Because if they just come to sell you what their cool new product is or what their best priced product is, it's not what you're going to need, and especially when it comes to health insurance. And so for me, your finances plays a really big factor in that. And so asking the right questions, getting involved and in touch with the right people really is going to help us do that overall consultation that you're looking for. And that's what the MBhealth agents here do for you, okay? And so what does that often involve? Well, there's legalities and tax implications. For sure, whenever you deal with insurance, whether it be individual under 65 benefits, whether it be Medicare. And so to give you an example, the ACA plans, otherwise known as Obamacare, really hinge on what your annual income is, whether you're single, whether you're married, whether you claim dependents. And all of those numbers, we have to develop what that annual income is on a projected basis. I'm looking, what is 23 going to look like? Okay. It's not what was 22, because every year is very different. You may have lost your job coming into this year. You may be retiring in March or April or May, whatever month that could be. Your spouse may still be working. So we have to take all those things into consideration because it trues it up at tax time. Okay. Are you going to get an additional credit or are you going to owe some money back? It all hinges on what we end that number at. And so your investments, your retirement, when you take it, when you choose not to. That's really important on the individual side. Let's look at Medicare. That's an indexed premium. So depending on how much your overall income is going to look like may determine what that Part B premium looks like. So those are things you want to know when you make those decisions. Are you going to travel a lot? So that's what a consultant is going to do for you. And a lot of times people don't think about that when it comes to health insurance, but we do. So it's very important that when you choose what's going to fit, not just this year, but next year, the year after, very pivotal years covering yourself for health insurance. How do you want that relationship to look like? Does it want to be with somebody that's across the table from you, that is going to talk to all the partners that make up your financial team? Or is it going to be via computer? It's just going to try to ask you questions and try to drill down. And it's not going to be that personal situation you're looking for, okay? And so it's very important when you look for somebody, what hat or hats are they wearing? I can tell you I'm wearing your health insurance hat. But part of that is all the financial pieces that go into it, okay? I'm not going to be sitting here worried right now about your home and auto or your business insurance, because we're talking about your health care, okay? Those are all big pieces of it. But for me, I'm going to find out how they all funnel down to your health care, okay? And that's what we do at MBhealth Insurance Agency. So please think about those things. If you're like, you know what, that's exactly what I'm looking for, whether you be an individual, whether you're somebody who's getting ready to become Medicare eligible in the next 6-7 months, now's the time to talk about that. Now's the time to find somebody. And if you think MBhealth Insurance Agency is the right place for that, please reach out to us at 314-544-5400 or look us up on our website at mbhealth.com. Thank you very much and take care.